BitTycoon is one of the oldest Bitcoin mining apps, and in this video, I'll let you know if it's keeping up. Welcome back, cloud miners. BitTycoon is one of the oldest Bitcoin cloud miners on the market. I've been using it for over a year, and they've been rolling out some updates, and I'm going to let you know what has and hasn't been working. And if any of you saw my tier list last month, you'll know that I raised this up a tier. And the reason I did that is because they added daily quests, which allow you to watch 3 ads to earn about 15 sats, which is pretty efficient. And I'm in contact with the BitTycoon representative, so I asked him why, and he said that it received poor feedback. I don't see why, but this is what he says. You can see the screenshot right here. And in place, they added 2 things. You can see they have a promotion where you can earn 6 rewards if you invite somebody. And you can see the rewards are a little bit of Ethereum, some BNB, some Doge, a 7-day contract that's going to give you about 100 sats, some Tycoon points, which we'll go over in a second, and a plus 10% permanent free contract hash rate. But the main problem with this is the Ethereum, the BNB, and the Doge, you're not going to be able to withdraw it. You can see the minimum amount is 0.01. And 0.01 Ethereum is about $20, $19 right now. And what we got is nowhere close to that. So while it does seem fun to get some free crypto, if you're not able to withdraw it, I don't even see the point really. And the same thing goes with Tycoon points. I mentioned months ago that they're going to have a system where you're going to actually be able to use these things. And other than one time where they tried it out and it didn't work, this has been a total dud. But if you saw that screenshot, it does look like they're going to try something. And in my opinion, I'm going to give it up until the end of the year when my new tier list comes out in 2027 to see if I want to lower it. I did up it in my 2026, but I'm going to give it some time. And the next update is they have a 50% off deal. They usually sell monthly miner contracts, but this is 1 year for $50. And $50 is a very high price point, I know that for sure. But for the sake of the channel, I was able to do a withdrawal for $47.16, so I wanted to try this out. And unfortunately, even with the 50% discount, it's a huge mistake. This $16.31 is based on a $70,000 Bitcoin price. And you can see on the bottom left here on my mining contract, I'm earning about 5.2 sats every 2 hours. And that comes out to about 63.84 sats per day. Just not that much. And even if this was permanent, it still wouldn't be very good. $50 worth of mining power should be earning you a lot more than 63 sats a day. But luckily for me, I'm in contact with a BitTycoon representative, and they put me into a VIP program, which earns me double the referral rewards, meaning I'm earning 40% instead of 20%. So even though I did spend $50 of my own money that it doesn't look like I'm going to really earn back, I will earn it back through the referrals, and thanks to you guys. So while it does still have decent rewards for ads, there's a lot of other apps that are way better, and honestly, this is more of a D tier app, but like I said, I'm going to wait till 2027, the beginning of 2027, to see if it can save itself. So let me know what you all think. Do you think that BitTycoon's going to come through, or do you think it's just going to be a relic of the past at some point? Let me know in the comments. I really do like replying to you guys and try to get to everything that I can. And if you like these videos, remember to hit the like button. And if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. And if you're a BitTycoon user who hasn't used a referral code and you want a free and easy way to support the channel, you can see it right here. And the referrals were the reason I was able to purchase that $50 miner and show that it was not worth your time. So these referrals definitely help me out. And if you want to get your crypto off risky exchanges, I'm an affiliate partner with Tangem. It's a buy one, get one 50% off deal and for the rest of the month. And if you use my code, you still get another 10% off. It's a great product, it directly supports the channel, and it's something I use myself. But as always, I just want to thank you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.